Hey, it's Rob with Big Green Egg here to show you one of our new accessories. It's the 3-piece accessory kit for the Modular Nest System. I'm going to open up the box here today and show you what we have in here. Let me just flip this around here. Take it out. And we have another box here that we have. I'm going to set this stuff down in the front. What this is going to be great for is, one, the paper towel holder is in here. You just undo this. We'll show you here on the egg in a second. You also have the storage bin here, which goes on the side, and I'll show you that here in a second. But this is great for putting your sauces, your rubs, your beverage of your choice right here while you're cooking. And then you also have the utility tray, which I'll show you here, which is a pretty nice piece that goes right on side your Modular Nest System. So this is pretty cool as well, but I'll show you that here in a moment as well. So let's move over to our extra large egg on the Modular Nest, and you can see the tray. You can use this for either cleaning out the ash or put your grill gripper, small tongs, some tools in here as well. Now on the side, you'll notice, and these just attach onto bolts in the screws that are already there and available that are on the nest, and it just attaches right to the side. You can, again, sauces, rubs, all that great stuff, storage right here on the side. If you go to the other side, and again, these can attach to any side you'd like it on. If you like your paper towel in the front, you can do that. But here it is, paper towel holder right on the side, or you can use it with your cloth towels and just fold them over there so they're conveniently on the side for you whenever you need them. And that's one of our cool new accessories for 2021 that we have out right now. But you can check it out online. Go online, biggreenegg.com, and look up the 3-piece accessory set for the Modular Nest System.